Hello, my lovely fifth graders. I am so sorry I am unable to be there. My joints are not working. If you remember me telling you from this year or last year, I have arthritis, and when the weather turns, my joints stop working, and it is hard for me to move and do everything I need to do to be there. So, I am so sorry. Okay, so please follow along with this video in your book. Please pause it at any moment or rewatch it, whatever you need. This is here for you. If I will be checking off these pages, and if you do not get these pages done, you will not get to go to Fun Friday. Okay, so please just follow along, okay, and get the pages done. If you are confident in that you know how to do this, I would pause the video in a second, do the questions, and then come back and check your answers. That'd be a great way to see if you actually know what to do. Okay. Example, this is good. This will be really helpful. It's a good looking example if you need help. It also has a good place value chart that you can copy over if you need it. Okay. Anne runs the 100-meter dash in 14 and 895 thousandths seconds. What words could you use to read it? I basically already read it for you. I've already kind of done that for you. Okay, remember, words. You can put the solution right here or right here. I like to have a bit more space. So it'll be 14. And remember, the and is the decimal. 895 thousandths. Don't forget the TH. THS. Okay, Carlos measures the length of a sideline on a football field. It is 109 thousandths of a kilometer. Write this length as decimal and in expanded form. Okay, we haven't really worked too much with expanded form, so I'm going to slice this in half. I'm going to put decimal up here, which I can't even spell apparently, and it's right there. Remember, if I'm going too fast, pause. Okay, decimal. This is going to be our hint. Okay, so that shows me it's a decimal. It also doesn't have the word and, which means that it's all to the right of the decimal. That means the first part is going to look like this. Okay, it's going to have 100. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to make sure I'm teaching you right. Okay, so it's going to be 109 thousandths. I know that can be tricky, especially because that's technically in the 10th place. But read this as 109. Okay, you read it as 109. And then you add this last place value on it, which is thousandths. So if you don't look at any of this and you just read it as the number, it's 109, and then take this into account and this, thousandths. Okay, in expanded form, it would be 1 times 1/10. I like to add parentheses so I know what I'm doing, plus 9 times 1,000th. Okay, a restaurant gives 4 and 82 thousandths kilograms of food waste to a city compost company. Which of the following correctly represents 4 and 82 thousandths? Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, so the 4, we have that 4, that matches. 8 tenths, that doesn't match because there's nothing in the tenths. So we cross that off. Okay, 4 and, okay, so that shows the decimal, 82 thousandths. Okay, this could possibly be it. We never want to stop at the first answer, just in case. Okay, 4 plus 8 and 1/10. Again, there's nothing in the tenths place, so we shouldn't have that. Oh, I realized I skipped one. 4 and 8 and we can't have 2 decimals, and ands represent decimals, so it can't be that. So our answer is B. Cameron ran the 400-meter dash in 89 and 23 thousandths of seconds. Which of the following expresses the time in words? Okay, we're going to break it apart. We're going to do the 89 and first. So 89 and, okay, so that could be it. 89 and, that could be it. 89 and, that could also be it. 89,023 seconds. That cannot be it. Okay. We want to make sure that it doesn't say tenths because we don't have any tenths. Okay, so 2300 seconds, so it could be that. 89 and 2/10 and, we don't do 2 ands. So that means that one's gone. Okay, this 3 is in the thousandths, which means that's what it should end with. This one says hundredths, so we know it's not that. This one says thousandths, so we know it's C. Okay, be careful with expanded form, but you guys got this. Okay, 6,000, 20. Remember, we're really focused on those. Okay, there's no hundredth down here. So we need to make sure there's no hundredth. Okay, this doesn't have a hundredth, so we're good. This one does. So that means that's crossed off. This one has a hundredth, and this one has a hundredth. So we have to cross off those as well. My battery is dying. Well, better hurry. Okay. Those as well. So this is our answer. Okay. I'm not going to explain anymore. You're going to pause, and the answers are going to show up. If you've cheated, that's on your conscience, not mine. This one, select all that apply. Which expressions select all that apply? Okay, and do the other two without me showing your answers. Please be good, be the examples. If you do not get this done, you do not get Fun Friday. Please get it done. Thank you guys, you're awesome.